Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Netflix not working on your Apple TV. Now, you might want to learn how to fix this issue because it's incredibly frustrating when you're ready to binge your favorite series or movies to only find out that Netflix won't cooperate. Whether it's due to app glitches, connectivity issues, or system errors, I'll guide you through this simple solution to get Netflix up and running smoothly. Now, this video is particularly useful for individuals who are using Apple TV for streaming and want a quick and effective way to troubleshoot Netflix problems. Either way, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved, but the way to actually get started with this is that we're going to go on our Apple TV and scroll down to where it says Settings. Now, once you're on this option here, you want to scroll down to where it says System. And then from here, go ahead and click on Restart. So what this is going to do is that it's going to reset your Apple TV and all of its apps inside of it so that you can actually go ahead and run Netflix. So by restarting your Apple TV, you'll be able to see if that actually does the trick when it comes to running Netflix. So it is going to take a couple seconds to actually reconnect to your TV. But other things to also note is that you want to make sure and ensure that your Wi-Fi connection is stable and has enough speed to support Netflix. And also make sure that you update your Apple TV and your Netflix to its latest versions. So the way to actually update your Apple TV is that you could actually go all the way down here back into System and then click on Software Updates and then update your TV OS system. And as far as updating Netflix goes, you could actually go into this app section here and then scroll down to where it says Netflix. And as far as updating Netflix goes, you could actually go into the App Store and then go into apps and find Netflix. So Netflix is going to be over here. Click on Netflix and then make sure that there's no update icon here. So as you can see, it only says open. But by following these tips, you can quickly resolve your Netflix issues on Apple TV and get back to enjoying your favorite shows. So if you guys know of a better or easier way to actually fix Netflix not working on your Apple TV, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. But thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.